Hey guys, guess what? I just want to tell you that we had a lot of fun. That we meet Pinky, and then we decided to draw an ice cream cone, a pepperoni pizza, and a juice box, which has an apple on it, and it also includes a straw. Am I right, guys? Yeah, I like it. Even though you met Pinky, and then you decided to draw all those three things. Yeah, I agree with Meadow. That was a fantastic job on these. Me 2, me 3, me 4, me 5, me 6, me 7, me 8, and me 9 as well. Because I cannot believe that you helped me draw some three things, which includes an ice cream cone, a pepperoni pizza, and a juice box which has an apple and a straw on it. Wow, that's great to hear, you guys. That was really impressive. You know, I'd like to be an artist flamingo, just like Bob Ross. He's a painter, of course. So, what do you say when we show all of three drawing masterpieces? Well, I think that sounds like a really great idea. Gilda, let's do this. Okay, we'll be right back in a few seconds. A few seconds later. Alright, Pinky. Here's all of my drawing masterpieces. This is for the ice cream cone, a pepperoni pizza, and a juice box which has an apple and a straw on it. What do you think about that, Pinky? Well, Gilda, to be honest, I love all your drawing masterpieces that includes an ice cream cone, a pepperoni pizza, and a juice box which has an apple and a straw on it. I really like your drawings, Gilda.
They're beautiful, they're marvelous, they're stupendous, and I think they belong in a museum, so we'll hold on to them in Aiden's room so we can keep track of your beautiful pictures that you painted and you drew, that you painted. Thank you so much, Gilda and Pinky, for sharing with us.
Yeah, you're welcome. That goes double for me and Pinky, because we both did a good job. Yeah, me too. I like that, Gilda. And by the way, we cannot wait to have another episode to come out, and it's gonna be an awesome one. Ha 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 ha.